Our shop has been busy working on the precision triangles. So let's take a look at some behind the scenes action. Milling the triangles starts with securing the solid blocks of aircraft grade aluminum in one of our state-of-the-art CNC mills. Then 4 triangles are precision milled out of each solid aluminum block. After milling, we check each precision triangle for tolerance on our state-of-the-art video optics system. And after they get back from anodizing, they're laser engraved with high contrast scale markings. Now the precision triangles are ready for packaging, and will start shipping soon, so stay tuned for more One Time Tool production updates.